All right, so now you have assigned the quizzes, they've completed it, and now you want to see how they've done. So what I've done already so far is I've just gone ahead and logged myself in. All right, it's the same dashboard. To get the access to your quizzes that you've done, you're going to click on My Reports. Okay, in here are two different tabs. Either an assignment that is still up and running, means that you didn't it wasn't the date isn't up yet, so it's still running, or it's completed. Okay. So the one that I did in the first video, that one's here. As you can see, it's only me that did it. 2 questions, 1 player. Okay, and here's the players is me, and I can see that I was able to multiply 3 and 2 and 7 and 5 and get the correct answer. Okay, so let me show you one that has a little bit more in depth. So for me, I'm going to click on completed. I'm going to choose this one from about a month ago when we were working on just basic multiplication, and so I click view. All right, so here are the questions as an overall for all the players that did it, 29 players that did it. The overall accuracy and percentage, so 68, 89, and 55. So what I can do for that though is from there, so those are the questions as overall. Then I can kind of look at each player, how each player did for that. So as you can see, these students that got 3 out of 3, they have the same score. So like again, like Kahoot, it doesn't factor in the time as well. It takes away from some of that anxiety and the time ticking. I know it drives me a little crazy. So anyway, as I scroll down, as you can see, I can see that this student here got them all correct, okay, but just by clicking on the fraction that's here, okay. What I then can do is, students that may have gotten 1 or 2 wrong, out of that I can kind of click and see, the answer choices that they made, so um, this person obviously, you can see what the mistake that he made. Okay, and same here. You can see a mistake that he made. I can kind of work with that student and take it from there. Okay, so that's on the screen. But then if you wanted to, you could then have this also. If you wanted some form of document, you can download to Excel, and then you just you click here, and it's going to run it for you. Everything's going to be done for you. I'm just pulling it up. I just downloaded it, so I'm just pulling it up from my computer. Okay, and what I like about it is not only does it does everything for you. All the data is input for you. It tells you your username, when they started. Okay, so you can see everything that you want to know is right here. So this is the overall of what everybody did. Okay, and then this breaks it down to each student. So you have everybody's name is right here. It kind of tells you everything, their actual name, and then their username that they did. Okay, and then obviously the different colors represent if it's incorrect or correct. Okay, so it's all right there for you. And like I said, that was just with a couple clicks from the website. I didn't do anything. Everything was done for me. So again, just another way of a quick assessment to see, which saves us grading, saves us time, and it's just a little bit, just something, just a little different for the students to get to. All right. So if you want to utilize that, it's a great thing. Like I said, it does. It just takes a couple clicks, but it has many benefits to you as a teacher, and hopefully your students will be a little bit more engaged with some of the basic assessments that we do have to give. All right, thank you.